Hello, welcome everybody. As people are tuning in, please click in, please connect. Love the chat. Here I am right here at 54 Glenwood Drive, unit number 15. So I want to take you for a little walkthrough on this property and show you around, show you what the property looks like. And this is Brantford's best condo deal. There's no doubt. This is a detached condominium. This property's got ample room, 2 bedrooms up, 1 bedroom down currently, full rec room, completely done. So this is Brantford's best condo deal. I'm convinced, and I want to show you that it is. So let me take you for a little tour. I'll flip the camera around and you can have a quick look. So this is how we enter the property. We come in the front door here, not to spin you around too fast, but front door access, come on in and into a common hallway here, our center hallway, nice tiled floors, neutral paint throughout, okay? On our right here is our first bedroom, okay? So first bedroom currently used as an office or a den, which is common. Beautiful hardwood floors, they're great, pristine condition. Nice size room. Nice size room, it's got a large closet there. Good size room, vaulted ceiling, nice and bright, good size window. Okay, great office, great bedroom, lots of potential here. Coming on over into here, okay. We've got our closet here in our hallway. Now, once again, good size closet. Hold all your coats, boots, everything for guests when they come in. And this property, this owner is the original owner, so everything's pristine. It's in great condition. Once again, tiled floor all the way through into the kitchen here. An open concept, okay? Lots of cupboard space all the way around. Vaulted ceilings, as you can see, and open into the living room and the dining area. So nice layout, very popular, very, very popular. Is great for most people, for middle-aged people, older people, even younger families I've seen in units like this works great. So once again, lots of cupboard space all the way around. The appliances here are included with the property, okay? Dishwasher, of course, everything. And it's open, which feels great. Main floor, we've got laundry here. Laundry property. Hey, Karen, yes, I know. Great property. It looks great. It's a nice home. Main floor laundry here. Okay, it's got a door we can shut, obviously, if you want to keep it private in there, so when you have guests over. But main floor laundry in this mudroom. And, of course, you got, linen closet or utility closet. And then we have access to our garage. So this is actually a 1.5 car garage. Okay, all the way through. Nice size garage. And every angle, every spot of this property it's spotless. It's really well kept. Just really well kept. Okay, so come back out to our main area here. Beautiful hardwood floors. Once again, they're in pristine condition. Dining area all the way through. We've got California shutters on the back garden doors. And really just nice and open. You don't feel cramped in here. Nice hardwood floors. Nice upscale feel. And that's the view looking back. Okay, once again, vaulted ceilings, as you can see, all the way through. Okay. And then we have our back door here. I'll just show you a little glimpse here. Got a screen door on it, but nice private deck, especially when this tree's filled in. It's really private. It's a brand new house that was built just recently behind. Okay. And then I'll take you over to the master bed, which is here on the main level. Once again, hardwood continues all the way through into the master bedroom. And it's a nice size room. Now, they have removed the bed currently, but nice size room all throughout. Large closet over here, of course. Okay. And now right next to the master bed here is the main bath. So, we obviously it's not an ensuite, but it's so close. It really acts as an ensuite. So coming on in here, tiled floors, ceramic tile floors all the way through. Once again, neutral color throughout. Okay. See a tub insert here in the shower or tub area. Okay. So bathroom there. So these units are very popular, as you can understand, for middle-aged and older homeowners. So complete main floor living throughout. This house is only about 12, 15 years old. Great property, in beautiful condition. So let me take you downstairs in the basement, and I'll show you what that looks like down there. It's fully finished and give you a bit of a flavor of that. So once again, our stairs straight down. We've got a Berber carpeting here coming down. Okay, so here's our landing. So here to the right, we've got our finished basement, finished rec room. Bedroom ahead of us. So this is bedroom number 3. Okay, so large bedroom. As you can see, there's 2 twin beds in here coming around, and it extends over even further. So it's a good size in here, quite large. And then when we go over, nice size walk-in closet, quite large. Lots of storage down in here. I can even, I'll go in and spin you around in here. Give you a bit of a feel in there, okay? So that's the basement bedroom, and then we walk into the rec room here. So it's fully finished all the way throughout. Nice size. There's a quick scan, so you get a bit of a feel for that. And then walking around, let me give you a bit of an angle from the end here. Right, you can kind of feel it's large down here. It's really big. So they've got obviously set up here as a living area, so you can have like a tent, entertainment, television, you name it, and then a separate section down the other end. You can have a table for games. You can have, you name it, down here. Obviously, they have it set up with a piano, a library with extra storage, both sides. Okay. And then coming over here is the second bathroom. So second bathroom is down here. Once again, tiled floor. So tiled floor up, tiled floor down in the bedroom, the kitchen and the bathrooms. And here we are, of course. So, and your standard bathroom, nice and clean and tidy. Okay. You got a shower insert in here. Okay. And nice size linen closet. So there's lots of storage in this house. The house is modern. Incredible value at this price, that I can tell you. And it's a condominium. So it's a detached condominium. You don't have neighbors attached to you. You don't have anyone bugging you. You don't hear any noise. You have all the benefits of a detached house, except it is a condominium. So you can get rid of your lawnmower. You can get rid of your snow blower. You can get rid of your snow shovel. You don't need that. It's all taken care of for you here. So once again, furnace. We've got AC here at the property. We have a rented water heater. We have a water softener. Everything's done. Everything's in great condition. Up there we have a HRV, so the house is extremely efficient, recycling the air, making that furnace even more efficient. Okay, 100 amp electrical panel. And you can just see everything's, the builder here, the builder that built this, just very, very meticulous. The contractors he hires, do a beautiful job. It's a nice home. And it has a good quality feel when you walk through here. You can just get a good feel on it, okay? I'm gonna spin you around again. So this is where we're at, okay? So we're in the basement, beautiful home, a big rec room down here. So even if you're a young family, if you're a family with teenagers, lots of room down here. Nice sized rec room all the way through, okay? If you've got teenagers, you got maybe multi-generational home, works great. Huge basement bedroom down here, right? I just showed you that. Lots of room. There's tons of room here, okay? And, there's some good separation from upstairs and down. So you don't, you're not mixed together if you don't want to be. Lots of privacy. So coming upstairs, once again, we got our main floor laundry here, okay, in the mud room, which is right off the kitchen. And when I walk you back into here, oops, once again, we got our 1.5 car attached garage right here. So you'll come in. So most people, you're going to pull your vehicle into the garage, come into the mud room. You're here by the laundry. Okay, you got your groceries, you got your everything. The kitchen's right here. You're not walking far. Okay, so this is 54 Glenwood Drive, unit number 15. So this is a detached condominium in awesome shape. This owner currently is the original owner, and everything is pristine, in great condition, open concept. So I'm in the kitchen right now, as you can see. Behind me, of course, that's the front door, okay? And when you're in here, nice open concept kitchen, into our eating area, into the living room. Vaulted ceilings above us, as you can see, and garden doors out to your back private deck. So you've got everything here in this detached condominium that you do in your current home. But the beautiful part is it's a condominium and you don't have to shovel snow. On days like today here in Brantford, we got lots of snow, okay? We got 6-8 inches of snow. You don't have to worry about that. When I pulled up here to do this live video, it was already done. All the snow was cleared. It's awesome. So if you're a homeowner and you're sick and tired of shoveling snow, cutting grass, this is for you. This is perfect for you. You don't have to do anything. If you have a family member and they're at that point in their life where they can't do it anymore, this is a great option. Okay? Detached condominium. They're not sacrificing anything, not sacrificing the quality of their detached house, or not sacrificing the privacy of their detached house, not sacrificing anything, but they can move in and don't have to lift a finger. Everything is done. Beautiful hardwood floors through this entire home. Okay? I'm not sure how this homeowner did it, but they're pristine. They're just in beautiful condition. Okay? And so you got complete main floor living up here. Come in the front door. You've got open concept kitchen into the eating area. Awesome open area. Doesn't feel small, feels great. And then you got your master bedroom here. Okay? So complete main floor living. I showed you the laundry. It's right there in the mudroom. Nice sized master bedroom, right? When I swing you around, you have a bit of a feel, though it's in here. Okay? Large closet in here. Of course, there's our attic. We just came in. Okay? Hardwood floors throughout. They've removed the bed from here, but it's a nice size room. There was a queen size bed in here with lots and lots of room around it. Great room. Now, when you come in or you leave the main floor master bed, there's no ensuite bath officially, but the bathroom's right here. Like literally 1-2 steps right here. So, it acts as an ensuite bath, and that's the beauty of it. So you come in, got a full ensuite bath here, tub, shower, ceramic tiled floors. Everything's done great and pristine. Okay, I can't stress that enough. If you want to come have a look in person and be here to actually have a look around, this house is pristine. It's in great condition, and for this price, that's why I'm saying to everyone, this is the best detached condominium in Brantford, hands down, in my opinion. But you come here, you have a look. I think you'll agree with me. Beautiful property in great condition. Very affordable at $619. This right here beats the pants off any other deal in town, in my opinion. Okay? Original owner, quality, all full exterior brick, and 2 bedrooms on the main floor. I'll show you the second bedroom. That's when you first come in. So when you first come into the front door, okay, just to kind of align you here, come in the front door into the main hallway. All ceramic floors, and then you walk into your kitchen. Okay, so when I come back this way, when you first walk in the door, right, there's a bedroom here. Now it's currently used as an office or a den, which is common in these units. Beautiful hardwood floors once again, pristine. Everywhere is pristine. I'm gonna switch you around here. Okay, so this is a bedroom. This is an office. This is a den. Right, it's very commonly used as a few things, but it's a nice sized room when you're in here. Okay, just to give you a bit of a feel. When I kind of swing you around, large closet in here. So extra storage if you don't need it as a bedroom, obviously for an office. Beautiful home, just a beautiful home. So I wanted to take some time to show it to you, to give you a bit of a feel, to give you a bit of an idea of what's in here. And like I say, this is pound for pound. This is Brantford's best detached condominium deal. There's no question in my mind. If you want some more information, just DM me below. I'll be glad to send you over some additional information. Information, of course, is on my website, adammarshall.ca. Check that out. Ask lots of questions. Extremely affordable at $619.9. The condo fees here are very affordable. Okay, $535 a month, and that does everything. That's everything. Never have to pay for a roof, never have to pay for windows, never have to pay for exterior doors, never have to shovel your snow, never have to cut your grass. Everything's covered. Great deal, okay? Once again, if anyone's interested in this home, if you have questions about this home, let me know. And with this home, I'll of course also offer my guarantee, and that is that if you go ahead and buy this house from me, I'll go ahead and I'll make you an offer on your house so you can buy this house cash. And you can move on, and no stress, no issues, no problems. We'll get you moved in here, be nice and smooth, and I know you're going to love it. I know you're going to feel really comfortable here. So DM me, love to show you in person, love to give you a private viewing, and you can actually inspect it yourself. And give me your opinion. Tell me what your thoughts are. Tell me if you like it. Tell me, let me know any extra questions that you have. I'm sure you'll have more. And I look forward to talking soon. Okay, thanks so much for joining. Have a great day. Talk then.